Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to use PayPal on Gumroad. First, let's get your accounts linked. You'll start by logging into your Gumroad account and heading over to your settings. From there, locate the Payments tab. Before connecting, make sure your Gumroad account is compliant and meets all eligibility criteria, which often includes having earned at least $100 in total sales and received one successful payout. Once in the Payments section, you'll see an option to connect with PayPal. Click this button, and a new window will prompt you to log into your PayPal account. It's crucial to use the correct PayPal email. After logging in, you'll be asked to authorize Gumroad to access your PayPal for processing payments. This step securely links the two platforms, enabling seamless transactions. When using PayPal on Gumroad, it's important to understand the fee structure. Gumroad takes a 10% transaction fee per sale. Additionally, PayPal charges its own processing fee, which is usually around 3.49%. For sales made through Gumroad's Discover Marketplace, a flat 30% fee applies. The good news is that once your PayPal is connected, payments from sales are often deposited instantly into your PayPal account. For your customers, paying with PayPal on Gumroad is straightforward. They simply choose it at checkout. To maintain privacy, especially if you're an individual seller, consider using a PayPal business account, which displays a company name instead of your personal one. Always ensure your products adhere to PayPal's terms of service to avoid any issues. Offering PayPal can significantly improve conversion rates by providing a trusted payment method.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.